Step 1. Attach the hook and holster. Thread the stainless steel hex bolt through a stainless steel washer and then through the hook, after attaching to the end of the EV hover. And finish off with another stainless steel washer and then attach the lock nut. Tighten with a wrench. Install screw cap on end. Thread the stainless steel hex bolts through the hook through the holster and then through a stainless steel washer and then attach the lock nut. Tighten with a wrench. Step 2. Mount to the wall. Ensure your charging cable will reach the proposed vehicle location when threaded along the EV hover arm. Select the desired location for your EV hover. We recommend installing the wall bracket at least 6 or 7 feet from the floor. Be sure to consider obstructions that may present an issue when extending or swiveling the arm. Find a stud using a stud finder and mark the edges of the stud with a pencil. Drill a pilot hole and then fasten one of the hex head lag bolts to the wall. Hang the EV hover from the keyhole on the mounting plate. While holding the EV hover up, level the mounting plate using the level and mark the other holes below the keyhole. Drill pilot holes and install the other 2 hex head lag bolts first with a 7/16 ratchet wrench. Attach the screw cap to the protruding screw under the arm. Step 3. Install the Velcro straps. Install the Velcro straps by wrapping them around the cable and EV hover, leaving room for movement. Next, adjust your cable to the appropriate length, allowing enough length for the end of your charger cable to hang down below the hook to reach your vehicle, and then tighten the Velcro straps. Adjust the hook as needed by squeezing or pulling apart.